In this video, we are going to learn about famines, foreign capital, railway, modern industries, and economic nationalism. Hello friends, welcome to Tapasya for IELTS YouTube channel. So let's begin. Famine under Crown rule, 1858 to 1947. Overview. Famines continued despite railway trade. 10 measure 1. Due to exploitative policies. Key famine and commissions. 1861 Delhi Agra first underground. 1866 Odisha 1.3 million death. Campbell Commission recommended infrastructure accountability. 1876-77 Great Famine 6.1 million death. Stretchy Commission 1880 Employment State Relief Tax Suspension 1896-97 nearly 1 million death. Coincide with plague. Bombay Lil Commission 1898 Higher Wage Tax Relief 1899 to 1900 McDonald Commission in the year 1902 Flexible Relief Early Aid in the year 1942 to 43 Bengal famine occurred, nearly 3 million deaths occurred. World War II disruptions, Churchill's indifference. Main causes was cash crop, overfood, high taxes, inadequate to delayed relief, continued food export, British profit priority. Impact was man-made disaster, mass deaths, agricultural decline. Foreign capital purpose post 1857 British capital entered for exploration, not India's development in railway, banking, etc. Forms loans from England, direct business investment. Impact British controlled key sectors, example 75% bank deposit by foreign banks in the year 1913. Drain Indian resources, railways. Start Lord Dalhousie in the year 1853 for military trade. First passenger train Mumbai Thane 1853. Financing British capital 5% guaranteed return from Indian revenue. British purpose army movement, connects ports for import export, preferential freight trades. Impact India integrated market but favored British trade. 65,000 60 point let's 65,217 kilometers by 1947. Created middle class, spread nationalism. Criticism was nationalist. Money should be go to irrigation, drained by guaranteed interest. 1899 GIP strike, supported by nationalist Tilak, highlighted foreign exploitation. Plantation agriculture, tea industry developed post 1833 in Assam, Bengal. Land and labor, cheap land for British planters, local labor avoided due to harsh conditions. Arctic Sardari system for recruitment. Indentured labor laws 1863 to 1901 enforced contract worksman breach of Contract Act 1859 penalized absconding workers. Impact high British profit, extreme worker exploitation, 141 riots in the year 1904 to 21 fueled anti-imperialist resistance. Modern industries early the 1850s cotton 1853 Bombay, jute 1855 Risra, coal. Slow progress due to British control, favoritism for foreign capital, lack of credit for Indians, foreign banks dominated, unfair railway freight rate favored imports, no heavy industries first still 1913. Government neglect, opposition from British manufacturers. Social impact, regional imbalance, new classes, industrial capitalist worker, plantation, indigo, decline after synthetic dye. Neil Darpan, tea, coffee, all British owned. Economic nationalism and drain theory, core idea. British policies, not Indian factors, caused poverty. Key figures Raja Ram Mohan Roy, estimated rupees 3 million annual drain, 1838. Dadabhai Naoroji, poverty and un-British rule in India, call it vampirism. R.C. Datta, Economic History of India, 1900, identified three phases. Mercantile, 1757 to 1813, direct plunder by EIC, East India Company. Free trade, 1813 to 58, British import destroyed Indian industries. Finance, imperialism, post 1858, British capital exports. Drain of wealth, Nauroji theory. Estimate 200 to 300 meter annually or 8% of GNP by Baran. Components: home charges, pensions, military cost, loan interest, council bills, unequal trade, military expenses, profit of European banks. Impact: reduced Indian wealth, employment, investment, funded British Empire. Significance: challenged British legitimacy, become foundation of national movement. Welby Commission in the 1895 reviewed spending but no major reforms. Nationalist suggestions: reduce spending, taxes, protect Indian industries, lower land revenue, promote cottage industries. So this was the end of lecture, and we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubts, ask in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that UPSC focused videos keep reaching you. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.